Summary of the Mesopotamian Civilization. The Mesopotamian civilization, one of the world's earliest and most influential societies, flourished between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, modern-day Iraq, around 3500 BCE. Known as the cradle of civilization, it laid the foundation for urban development, law, writing, and science. Key aspects of Mesopotamian civilization. 1. Bronze Age civilization. Mesopotamia thrived during the Bronze Age, using advanced metal tools and weapons. The earliest cities emerged in Sumer, including Ur, Uruk, and Lagash. 2. Urban life and architecture. Cities featured walled defenses, ziggurats, massive temple towers, and baked brick buildings. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon, one of the seven wonders, showcased engineering brilliance. 3. Social structure. Society was divided into upper class, rulers, priests, middle class, merchants, scribes, and lower class, farmers, slaves. Slavery was common, often prisoners of war or debtors. 4. Religion and beliefs. Each city worshipped its own patron god, example Enlil, Marduk. Belief in the afterlife was evident from burial goods in tombs. 5. Writing and record keeping. Invented cuneiform, the world's first writing system, on clay tablets. Used for trade, laws, and literature like the Epic of Gilgamesh. 6. Legal system and governance. Hammurabi's Code, 282 laws, established strict justice, an eye for an eye. Early kingdoms included Sumer, Akkad, Babylon, and Assyria. 7. Scientific and technological advances. Developed the wheel, plow, and irrigation systems. Pioneered astronomy, mathematics, base 60 system, and medicine. Why rivers were crucial. The Tigris and Euphrates provided fertile soil, water for farming, and trade routes, enabling civilization to thrive. What this chapter conveys. This chapter highlights how Mesopotamia shaped human progress through urbanization, law, writing, and technology. It shows how geography, innovation, and social organization led to one of history's most groundbreaking civilizations, whose influence is still seen today. Key takeaway: Mesopotamia was not just an ancient society but the birthplace of modern systems in governance, culture, and science.